guys, I'm Neelam, a student of American Institute, Kuchaman City. Today my topic is nature. Nature is the beautiful environment that surrounds us. It includes tree, forget flower, blue sky, sun, moon, river, fish, animal, colorful rainbows, and many more things. We humans are also part of the nature. We get water from nature. Nature provides fruit and vegetable to nourish our body. Oxygen and sunlight in the nature are also essential for life on earth. People who live close to nature live a healthy life. We must also take steps to stop pollution and protect nature. If we protect nature today, nature will continue protecting in the future. Thank you for listening me.